Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
MLA jong ka Mawphlang Constituency uba SK Sun haka arpui trik ujumang arjar arpo ula pancing petsain haki kenta kelijing keli haka dorbar bang tengka joka dorbar thawang ke jela haka bai dei ba upur Assam ba ka jela Meghalaya ka Assam ba ka jela Assam unio MLA jong ka Mawphlang Constituency ula pancing petsai ru Halor ki kerteng bat ki jaka hasilenter ka khapon ya ki district ki bangat haki Jingïakajia pun kenthop ru ya ka tarik ba ka Jingïakajia kala sedang ningkong bat kumjuk ru ya ka jingsak ta jugi pat ba nong shok snong ki basa ki snong khapun na ka ni ka Jingïakajia pun hapadang ka jela Meghalaya ba ka jela Assam.
So reply to star question. Start question 3. Sir, the total length of boundary shared between Meghalaya and Assam is 884.24 kilometers. B, sir, a statement is placed on the table of the House.
Thank you very much, sir, for the exhaustive statement placed on the table of the House. But I have gone through the statement, sir, and I have seen it that most of the incidents are very recent. So, in this situation, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister whether it would be fair to construe that the boundary between Meghalaya and Assam was already considered, settled and defined when the then first government of the new formed state of Meghalaya had accepted both the Assam Reorganization Meghalaya Act 1969 and the Northeastern Areas Reorganization Act 1971.
Sir, I think the matter of dispute has already been very, very clearly stated by not just this government, but even the past governments. And therefore, these kind of complications are coming out. And we are also in talks with our counterparts in Assam to find a solution to this issue. But sir, the dispute still remains in 12 locations that have been, which I think the Honourable Member also knows, sir.
Sir, if that is the case, then was this dispute is right from the day one of the new formed state?
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I know then from the Honourable Minister what are the 12 areas of differences and the corresponding size of the 12 disputed areas?
So the areas of differences are there. I'll just have to go through. Sir, I don't have the exact information right now with me, but I'll provide it to the Honourable Member, sir, and I can place it on the table of the House, sir.
Then may I know from the Honourable Chief Minister, sir, how many times the two Chief Ministers between Meghalaya and Assam have met to resolve the issues right from the start till date?
So that information I don't have with me right now, sir, but I can provide it to the Honourable Member.
Okay then, sir. Then it will be all right if the information is table in the House, but the information should contain the 12 areas of differences, the size of the disputed areas, and the contention by the Meghalaya government that the land belonged to the Meghalaya, then along with the dates where the meetings were held at the level of Chief Minister, Chief Secretary to resolve the issues, sir.
So I will do that, sir.
Thank you, sir.